So it's been about an hour and a half of slow heat. Now I think the chicken should be cooked. Let's have a look. Look at that. It just falls apart.
That is literally, yeah, you could pull that off, couldn't you?
Really is. Vegetables?
Gotta be. Get them veggie.
And I know, you know what, even though these are quite soft, these vegetables, I think they're going to be absolute full of flavour. I'm hungry. Oh yes.
There you go, mate.
Thank you very much. You know what, I'm so hungry right now. Wow, lovely parsnips.
It's sweet, aren't they?
Oh, look at it, just looks so juicy.
That is so nice. Can't beat that fresh veg.
Wow. Oh yeah. Look who's turned up, huh?
Perfect timing.
Yeah.
Slept through the whole thing.
Yeah.
And then wake up and the food's there. That's really good, man.
It's really tasty.
I feel like we've earned it this episode.
We have.
We've got, what, a quarter of the battens left to do?
Yep.
And then we're...
won't take, well, I don't know, what, another 2 hours?
Yeah, probably. Then we can get those up and we're pretty much sorted for the
It's
roof. It's just the walls then we can go onto.
Yeah. Those battens, they're really dragging on a bit. Can't wait to finish it.
It's the bark peeling that
Yeah.
I think the sourcing the materials and the bark peeling that takes so long to do. And then obviously filming, putting it up, which takes time.
Oh, hold on. While you're there, I'll have a go on one of these.
Well, I recognise you.
The reason why I'm swapping them is because I've just opened mine off camera because I was quite thirsty. This is,
You've
I'm
shaken
sure,
mine up, that's why.
Well, we'll see. I'm sure you guys remember this from last year. This is Elderflower champagne.
Homemade.
Homemade, thank you very much. And it shouldn't be as explosive as last year.
Yeah, right.
Last year was like Formula One.
Amber's going to have a shower in a minute. Oi!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's nice.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
I just went straight in, didn't even give me a cheers. Cheers, guys.
Thanks for tuning in to the series. Appreciate it. Those of you who've tagged along since, what, the Viking series was when we probably proper started our shelter stuff.
Viking, or was it we did a little wigwam?
Actually, we did, no, that was after the Viking series.
Was it?
Yeah, that was last summer.
And it was back there at the other side of the woods.
Oh, that one, yeah,
it's
that
like
was
a hazel
year
dome.
before.
That was a
Sorry,
dome.
yeah.
I think we put the tarp over it.
Yeah, that was a good one. That was 3 days we did that.
And then we did a...
I'll put a link to that in the description, guys, if you want to see that.
And then we did that teepee style one, using a tarp as well, which was back over where the Viking house is.
Yeah, that was over there. And then we did a few others in the woods, but To those of you guys who've stuck around since some of those early series, appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying the Roundhouse series. It's slightly different, but it's going to be so good when it's finished.
It really is. You know, I'm really getting excited now. The walls are almost complete.
Yeah.
And the roof. It really is starting to look like
a roundhouse.
A roundhouse shelter, homely place to go and, you know, get out of the weather, little fire, and just to, you know, get your head down for the night. But I can't wait to do a few overnighters here.
Yeah.
I really can't. But we need to talk about we're still not too sure yet, but where and if we should put a fireplace in there. And if we do, should we have a small open fire in the middle?
Yeah.
But make sure it's a small fire, or do we make some sort of clay contraption where we make like a wood stove out of clay and hazel?
Well,
but I think we can talk about that later on once the roof is on.
I looked into it a bit.
We just have to be really careful with the fire.
Yeah. Basically, history suggests that they did have fires inside the roundhouses, and they would have been known to be very smoky. So we can do it. We can try it, and if it's really, really smoky, then we can maybe build some sort of chimney system to funnel that smoke out. But they definitely did have fires inside. They reckon. Hard to know, really. It was over 1,600 years ago or something. But
you know, the Viking house we realised it was really smoky after a few fires. So we opened up the roof and we built that kind of vent and that chimney cap.
That was good. That helped.
That might help here as well.
I think we're going to have to do something similar.